Alright, welcome to the video. Let's just get right into the meat of this video. And there is a Nemesis Animation Bug where your hands do not move when you use your ability. Now I have an example right here, and I'll slow them down. I actually have two examples of this. Pretty much whenever you use your ability, your hands don't swing out. Your hands go back to the default standing animation, but the whip still comes out fully. And it's still perfectly functional. It just looks kind of strange. But here's example number 2. And if you do a hitbox slide, hitbox drag, the animation still bugs out. But as you can see, the attack still works, but you're just holding your hands up, which looks very weird. Now this bug also occurs when you hit a survivor from a very close range. As you can see right here, I have an example of that. I hit this bill and the animation breaks too, because I'm standing right next to him. And I'll get into why this happens later on, but this works on all objects, works on survivors, works on zombies, works on pretty much everything. So I figured out why the bug occurs, and I have some drawings right here. So the animation works when your eye level is meeting the object, and there's a good amount of distance. It also still works when the object is shorter than the Nemesis line of sight, even when there's very little distance. It also works when the object is taller than the Nemesis line of sight, but there is a large amount of distance. Now the animation does not work when the object is taller than the Nemesis line of sight, and there's almost no distance between the two objects. And I wrote it down right here to be easy. The animation does not work if these two conditions are met. The object is very close to the Nemesis, about half a meter or closer. It's definitely a lot closer than half a meter. It's just a good estimation. And the object is taller than the Nemesis line of sight. And line of sight, I don't mean where your camera is at the very top. I mean where your tentacle comes out, the very top of your tentacle hitbox. Now, if both of these conditions are met, that will cause the standing still animation. If only one of these are met, your animation will play normally. But if both of these happen, then the animation kind of freaks out and does not play correctly.